Very good evening, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. With my indicator rolling pivot reversal magic, as well as market memory POC, it helps you to be in a good stock, that is blasting stock even in the options also. This is the stock Lupin. I traded this because the reasons for this, I held this stock, it is in my portfolio. I held this stock since February here. You can see, no, not February, even before that. I was holding this stock since 2085. I entered into the stock 2085. Why? The reason for this is, first let me explain you. I am on the daily time frame. Daily time frame. This is, let me disable, just only I will enable market, this one rolling pivot. The reason for this, on the daily, this price crossed the R1. After crossing the R1, this is an indication that this is going to go up. So it tested lot of patience, really. After making an high 2218, immediately it went into consolidation throughout February month. It came down to the same level, testing my patience, but I was confident to hold this stock throughout January and also February. Here again you can see on 4th of February it popped out of the R1. That is an indication that this stock is going to go. So it is following the same pattern. You can see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 days and again 14, almost 14 days. Let me take out the, to calculate this, almost 12 days. No, not even 14 days. 14 days, same pattern breakout. Now it has broken above the R1. Definitely it is going to go one more candle higher. So this is the way, and today the call option, I'll show you the call option, how it moved. The call option, 22,060 call option. Let me go to the 22,060 call option. It is this monthly, it had popped up. This is an indication. That is 17th February. It popped up to 82 and came down. It gave a discount, 50 rupees discount. It entered into this, and when it started moving above the pivot, it was a buy signal. Today, let me change it to 15 minutes and you see how beautifully EP was triggered. The market, this call option moved above correspondingly with the lupin underlying. It popped above the R1 and entered into there. There you got the buy signal. And I'm going to enable the market memory POC. Market memory POC, and this is, I have enabled only weekly point of control and weekly point of, it is weekly value area high, red color boundary, and down red color boundary is weekly value area low. When price, this was this yesterday itself, it popped up. It popped up and closed here. That was an indication 62.70, and today EP was triggered at 67 and it came inside. You can see on yourself the move from here, from 62 point, this is the low actually, 62.90. The next candle, if you would have taken around 65, the price rallied from here to 90 rupees. Yes, friends, 90 rupees. So, 27.60, 42 percentage, 800 per lot. You can imagine how much you could have. So this is how you need to select the stock, and with the help of my friend Shane, I was able to create a filter. I'm going to show it to you. You can also make a scan. It is a very simple scan, so you can find the stocks immediately. Just go to this, and you create a screener like this. Nothing. Nifty 200, or you can select Nifty 500 also, and Indian market. Just manual setup. Go to the price filter, manual setup, price above the pivot points, classic day one, and you need to enable it as R1. So then you will get so many, even if they are early, if you get it early, you can, it is very good. Almost all the stocks are at the peak. What are the screeners, what we are getting is at the peak. You can see Lupin has also come in the screener. Lupin, Bharat Forge, Bank of India, so many stocks. These are the very powerful stocks, friends. You can trade very well. You can trade very well. You can see, you can make a simple screener which helps you. And screener is not enough. With the help of your indicator, my rolling pivot and market memory POC. See, Bharat Forge, I am on the 15 minutes time frame. Just see, the market popped up. Let me go to the daily. Let me go to the daily to see how it has come into the radar. Daily. This Bharat Forge, see, previous day itself, here itself, it has come out of the uh, weekly pivot, weekly value area high, and also I am labeling a rolling pivot. Just I'll take out this, and this is rolling pivot. R1 popping above the R1. This is a very strong, like the price crossing above 65 or 70. If I enable the RSI, we can see, let me see, it is like, just I'll put an RSI and we'll check whether it is above. Yes, friends, it is cross above the RSI. The price above the Bharat Forge. Price is in the momentum. You can see when price crosses the 60, it is like acceleration. See, it has crossed, it halted, and it has moved higher. So this is very, very important. Even it is comparable to RSI also. RSI also, but RSI will not give you the clear picture because it is not on the pane. It is chart. This rolling pivot reversal magic is on the chart. You could have caught this stock at the beginning here itself. 1459, you could have, it has rallied. 1459 to 1902. It has within a month it has come up to this level. You see now today also it has popped because of this price above the R1. R1, it is popping up, and this is a beautiful stock. You can keep it in your watch list, and you can make a very simple screener with the help of my rolling pivot. You will be trading very well. Let me enable the monthly POC. Monthly POC, enable the monthly POC. You can see over here price crossing the weekly value area high, correspondingly the R1, and confirmation. No hesitation. You can sit in the stock confidently and you can trade better. This is how you can scan it. I've made it very easy for you people to scan the stocks and you can see what is Power India doing. Already these stocks have run up already. They are popping up because they are in the R1 like that. So now one stock, it is LIC Housing Finance. I'll show you it is in the beginning stage. LIC Housing Finance. Let me go to the stock and show you it is in the beginning stage. After so much of consolidation, please watch carefully. Here I'm zooming it out, and here this stock popped above the um, even though all these are negative, pivots are negative, it popped above this level, indicating that I'm ready for that, ready to go up. And you can see it has crossed R1 on February 18th. From February 18th, it made a from 520, it rallied up to 547. Today, it has crossed the R1. Today, it has crossed the R1 and value area high. Yesterday, it crossed the weekly value area high. These are the reference points you can mark on your chart. It is a reference point on your chart. Let us go to intraday time frame. You could have taken the options so beautifully. This is the value area high. Price is crossing above the value area high, and the price is, see, so much it is compressed. The price popping above the R1 pivot, and these are not dead pivots, friends. These are the rolling pivots, dynamic pivots. Dynamic pivots, it has been coded very nicely. This is how you can make, for example, LIC Housing Finance. I don't know whether it is in the option. Yes, it is in the option. Suppose if you would have taken 520 call option, 520 call option, friends, you see here 500, and though there is not liquidity, much liquidity, it has popped above the same behavior, popped above the R1, above the value area high, weekly value area high, weekly point of control, and it has moved to this level from 22 to 36, friends. Like this, your option trading also becomes easy, and also you will get guideline when to enter. Entering also you will get a guideline. See, it has popped above the value area. R1, then you need to wait for the price to enter into another box. See, it entered into another box. This is the value. Value has been built, and when it is holding this price level, this is as a guideline 25 rupees. You are entering it, and it has popped above the again R1. It has moved, popped above it, and moved 1 2 3 candles, and again entered into it, and it has come down. It has fallen below the, so its move is over. It has fallen below the S1, then its move is over, then you are not going to take the trade. This is how you can take the trade with the help. You need to find your own hacks, and the trend is intact. Gan Hilo is magenta color, you can interact. This is how I traded lupin, as well as I have shown you how to make a simple screener to make your own, and with the help of this is for today. They have popped up, and you have to go to the daily, and you have to one by one you can select the stocks, because screener will give you the day-to-day levels, and it will not go back, and it will not consider because it is mechanical, and it can catch only the condition what we have given. And you can consider this Sona BLW stock because Sona calm. You can keep it on your watch list. Let me go to the daily because it has got potential to move higher. See, today it has popped above the R1 on daily, so now come and above the previous, you can see, so closely watch here above the weekly value area high. This is your reference, and you can keep it in your watch list, friends. You need to have patience. Once it comes up, it may come down on an intraday basis, and then it can pick up, go up. So this stock has consolidated for how many days? You can see on daily basis, this is 16 bars, 2 weeks of consolidation. Consolidation breakouts will be very powerful. This stock may move higher. How much you can anticipate is measured move of this trend move. From here to here, we can anticipate this much move in this stock, almost to 600, or from the bottom, I am going to do that, almost to 509, 587, you can anticipate for the up move in the Sona BLW. And let us see how much percentage from this level, from the closing level, let us check. So, for you can consider this is a breakout stock. You can consider with all the parameters. You can get 8% of move in this stock in coming days. Yes, friends, you can track this stock day to day and keep options on your watch list. For example, you can keep, it is 540 options. Let me go to the 540 call option and keep it in your watch list. 23 is now running. If it starts moving already, if you see on daily, it has crossed the weekly value area high. This is the previous day weekly value area high. This is the point of control, and you can, on an intraday basis, these are the two levels. It will guide you people. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you for this is a beautiful. If you want to access my indicator, you can message me on my WhatsApp number 989845209600. These indicators are superior. Whoever taken my indicators, they are profitable, and if you want to be profitable, you can WhatsApp me on this number. These are all paid indicators. You can get the details by WhatsApping me. And thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.